The latest Cryotos update is here, offering powerful new features to help you get more done in less time. Previously in the Asset module, you can see only the list view options, and that with the limited information of asset name, company name, location and the categories. We have introduced the table format where you can see the whole informations in a table view with the category name, account name and the additional informations, where we have an option of the sorting of your creation date and your updation dates. You can easily sort it out and see the assets which are imported inside the system. We can also sort it based on the asset serial numbers. We can filter it out based on the asset types like machinery, tools, vehicles, etc. We have an additional option where you can customize your columns, which has to be maintained all over the organization or for myself. And each assets has been included with the meter reading option, expiration reminder, the transfer history and the parts information, where in a single page you can identify all the asset related informations, which helps you to track and monitor your assets which are being maintained in the organization. Thank you.